Why Maclis hates lock-in tapings. Elise Hoson and McCoy De Leon hate lock-in tapings. McCoy De Leon, father to Felice Mackenzie, would like to be with his daughter as much as he could. In Elise Hoson latest vlog Getting to Know You More, Freak McCoy, the real-life partners and love team play a card game where the two answer questions for each other. When McCoy drew the question, if I could relive one day in my life again, which day would it be? Elise answered that he would want to relive every waking moment na nandyan si Felice. Kasi lagi kong naririnig sa'yo yung tuwang-tuwa kapag gising mo, nakikita mo si Felice nag-smile. Sobrang genuine ng happiness, McCoy says. Kamukha ko pa. Sobra akong napapasaya ng batang yun.
Again, which day would it be?
Feeling ko pipiliin mo yung every waking moment na nandyan na si Felice. Kasi lagi ko naririnig sa'yo, tuwang-tuwa ka kapag pagising mo, nakikita mo si Felice nagsasmile
Parang sobrang genuine ng happiness.
ng bata.
Oo. Kailan ako kasi di ba lagi ko sinasabi, kabay na to gusto ko ayoko masungit. Eh siya kasi pag pinakita mo ngingiti, kamukha ko pa.
So parang nakikita mo yung sarili mo?
Ay ganun eh, pero talaga yung ngiti talaga. Sobrang napapasya ako yung batang.
The new parents, who recently had Felice baptized, played the ultimate game for couples. The two tested their knowledge of each other and gave their audience a little more personal information about themselves. From McCoy's favorite and most disliked holiday hint, it's the one that cost him lots of money to Elise's first car and dream job as a child. But what one can't deny when watching this episode is just how smitten McCoy is over their daughter. Memories are important. Elise reveals that McCoy received the opportunity to fly abroad to Korea for work but turned it down. Importante yung memories with her, McCoy says. And as Elise explains, his greatest fear would be to miss out on Felice growing up. Elise answered, what is my greatest fear? With, yung hindi mo makasama si Felice. Hindi mo makita siyang lumaki, and yung development.
What is my biggest fear?
Hindi mo makasama si Felice. Hindi mo makita siyang lumaki and yung mga development niya. Tumawag yung handler mo kung gusto mong pumunta ng Korea for work. Pero sabi ni McCoy, hindi daw.
Pagkano yung memories pa rin?
Why Maclis hates lock-in tapings? It's no wonder that the answer to what Elise hates about her job is lock-in taping. Di nyo kami masisi talaga kasi yung anak namin, sobrang bait. Sobrang sarap kasama. Gusto pa namin makita yung development niya. On ways to build memories with your baby. A child's first year might not be remembered by the child herself, and that's why parents today are going through great lengths to capture as much as they can.
My job.
So, lakin.
Ngayon,
Kasi
Yeah.
mas masibig. Hindi ako masisisi talaga kasi alam niyo yung bata, anak namin sobrang bait. Sobrang sarap kasama. Gusto pa namin makita yung development. What